Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to automatically convert survey responses from text into numeric values in SPSS. Instead of coding every response manually, SPSS can complete the entire process automatically within seconds. This method will save your time, reduce manual errors, and prepare your survey data for statistical analysis. Watch the video until the end because I will explain every step clearly and practically. Let us open SPSS and start smart coding. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more easy SPSS tutorials. So let's start. First of all, we need to import data set. We will click on File and click on Open Data. Then we will go to data set location. Okay, before selecting the data, it should be ensured that you have data set in SPSS format or Excel format. So if you have data in Excel format, then you will select SEV extension. If your data is in Excel format, then you will select Excel format. So I have data in Excel, so that's why I select Excel extension. Okay, so I will click folder, then I will click on dataset survey responses, and it will be opened in SPSS successfully. Okay, then I will click on OK. So I have successfully imported the dataset in SPSS. So first of all, don't forget to save the dataset. First of all, I save it. Okay, done. After that, we need to ensure the data of this is data view and this is variable view, right? So we need to see that here are string values. So basically this video will show how we convert string values into numeric values. So that's why I will recommend you to do automatic coding. So for example, if we see the first variable, it is gender, and then we can see the age group, then we can take occupation, and also there are other variables you can see here. Okay, let's start. So first of all, we have only three variables. So let's start from three variables. How can we auto code these demographic variables or other Likert scales into numeric values? So we will go to transform and we will select automatic recode. Okay, so first of all, we have gender. We'll place here, and you can see here interrogative sign, so it means we need to rename the variable. So we will rename it like as coded gender. Okay, add new name. Okay, second one, we will take age. As you can also see interrogative sign to rename the variable. So we will rename it coded age and click on add new name. And third variable, occupation, coded occupation. Okay, so we have renamed the variables. Now we will click on OK. Before click on OK, you need to see two checkbox. So use the key same recording scheme for all variables. We don't need to do anything with this. And treat blank string values as user missing. It means if your data set has nothing, in string value, then SPSS will automatically replace your string space into numeric space. So we don't need to check this box. So we remain it unchecked, and then we will click on OK. Okay, so you can see here, guys, SPSS auto coded the data. You can see SPSS coded 1 equal to female and 2 equal to male. As well, you can see at 20 to 29 years old respondents equal to 1, 30 to 39 years old respondents equal to 2, 40 to 49 years old respondents equal to 3 as 4. Or you can also see the occupation: business placed equal to 1, employed equal to, housewife equal to 3, journalist equal to 4, student plus housewife equal to 5, students equal to 6, teacher equal to 7, unemployed respondents equal to 8, writer and filmmaker equal to 9. So we have successfully auto-coded the data. Now you can see these were the demographic variables. So let's see how we can do the same step with survey responses, Likert scale. So we do the same thing. We came back to data, variable view. You can see here these are survey responses. If I go to data view, you can see here agree, disagree. These are survey questionnaire items based on Likert scale. Okay, we rename them like question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, question 5. Okay, we put on save button, then we go to data view. As you can see, we have converted and renamed 5 survey responses, 5 survey questions. So we need to auto code these 5 survey questions into numeric values. So let's see. We go to transform and click on automatic recode. Okay, we need to select question 1 to 5. Okay, so we go to question 1 and we rename it. Question 1 R. Question 2 R. Question 3 R. Question 4 R. And question 5 R. So we have successfully coded the and named the survey questions so that we can easily see on my data set. So after doing that, we need to click on OK button, and then you can see SPSS successfully converted and auto coded your string values into numeric value. You can see agree equal to 1, disagree equal to 2, neutral equal to 3, strongly agree equal to 4, strongly disagree equal to 5. So we can also see on my data set, we go to data view, and we can see here the values have correctly coded on my data set. We need to save it. Okay, so you can see here 2 1 equal to, because SPSS successfully auto coded these survey questions into numeric values. If we need to click here, and we can click on this button, value labels. You can see easily what was the string value here, and then we converted these string values into numeric values. Like click on this button, you can see here was disagree, right? Here was agree, here was strongly disagree. Okay, so we unclick this button and you can see numeric values.